Today, we're answering the age-old debate, what's the difference between yams and sweet potatoes? Buckle up my Spud buds, because by the end of this video, you'll be an expert on all things tuber and know exactly where to find some yummy dishes right here in Atlanta. Hey there, I'm Joy with Unexpected Atlanta Tours and Stories, and we explore the best food, entertainment, and sights that Atlanta has to offer. So be sure to like and subscribe to keep your finger on the pulse of this great city. Today we are talking about one of Atlanta's favorite foods. As far back as 1847, sweet potatoes were one of the most important foods eaten in young Atlanta because they grow well here in the South. And they're so cheap and easy to grow that even the poorest Atlantans could afford them. And you probably have heard people use the terms yams and sweet potatoes interchangeably, but they're actually two distinct veggies with some key differences. So let's start with sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are native to Central and South America and came from the Incas. Yes, same ones who built Machu Picchu. Those incredible agriculturalists invented a sweet, fleshy tuber with smooth, thin skin and vibrant colors ranging from orange and purple to white. The flesh is soft and sweet, making them a favorite for roasting, mashing, and baking. Did you know they're also very healthy too? You probably did, but yeah, sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, making them a superfood that can boost your immune system and support digestive health. Now, yams, on the other hand, are native to Africa and Asia. They're related to lilies and grasses, and there are over 600 varieties of yams, with 95% of them grown in Africa. In fact, the yam is such an integral part of African cuisine that the Wolof word nyam not only describes the yam, but also means to eat or to taste. And some believe that our word yummy is a derivative of that Wolof word. Yams come in various shapes and sizes with rough, scaly skin and creamy white or purplish flesh. Yams are also drier and starchier compared to sweet potatoes. One interesting fact about yams is that they can grow quite large, sometimes reaching lengths of up to 5 feet. Now that's a lot of yam fries. But the confusion between yams and sweet potatoes in the U.S. is a result of historical and marketing factors. First, let's talk about the history. When enslaved Africans were trafficked to the Americas, they found the native sweet potatoes of the Americas closely resembled the African yam, or nyami, that they were already familiar with. Over time, that term yam became synonymous with the sweet potatoes that were native to the United States. Second, from a marketing perspective, many U.S. producers call their sweet potatoes yams because many Southerners, and particularly African American Southerners, grew up using the word yam and not sweet potato. In fact, the USDA requires any American farmer to label a product they call yam as also a sweet potato. True yams, though, are relatively rare in the United States, and most of what we find in stores are actually sweet potatoes. So when you're enjoying that yam casserole this year for Thanksgiving, you're most likely indulging in sweet potato casserole. If you're in Atlanta and this video has made you hungry, there are loads of places you can explore, like Southern Kitchen and Grill or your Dekalb Farmers Market, one of my favorites. And there you have it, tuber aficionados. Yams and sweet potatoes might look similar, but they're worlds apart in terms of origin, taste, and texture. So the next time you're whipping up a tasty dish, you'll know exactly what you're serving. Hey, thanks for joining us on this food adventure. Let us know in the comments your favorite sweet potato recipes, and if you've ever tried a true yam, let us know how you liked it. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of food.